Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you one other popular theme inside VS Code, which is called as Monokai Pro. So Monokai Pro is a professional premium theme of VS Code. It's used by almost 4 million developers. You can go to their website as well. You can see, I think they charge some fees to it. They have different kinds of palettes. These are the colors theme that it supports. And if you want to purchase it, I will offer a free version right here, some free alternatives. The original theme is about 14 pounds, but if you just write in the extension tag Monokai Pro, if you click the install button, they do offer this. If you see, these are the original one. This is a classic theme that is there. I personally love this theme. You can see how beautiful it is looking. It's a Laravel project, but you can see the highlighting. It is great on the eye as well. The colors which are used in this is quite natural. And if I, let's suppose I choose a different screen, Monokai Pro. This is a Pro version. You'll see that. So personally, I will recommend this theme for you. If you have the budget, you can actually purchase it. You can see that all the themes are tremendous. It also comes with these pro icons as well. If you want to set this, you can see they come with their own pro icons as well. You can change this to see all the things. You can see how neat, how great these icons are looking. Very minimalistic and a perfect theme. So now let me show you some free versions of this extension. As you can see, it's paid, so it will charge you money after some time. But if you go to extensions, there is one alternative which is there. This one, if you activate this, this is a free alternative to Monokai Pro. This also look quite good, so that's why it is developed. 302,000 installs are there. You can check out this. So apart from that, we do have all these themes which are also there. You can check out their alternatives as well. But thank you very much for watching this video. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.